How do you stream Crunchyroll on Discord? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open crunchyroll.com on your web browser and sign in and leave it on the home page. Now, this process works only on the Discord application on the web version. Ensure the app is installed and updated. So once you are on the Discord, you simply need to click the plus button on the left to create a new voice channel, or you can easily use an existing one. And after that, at the bottom of Discord, you need to click on Share Your Screen. Under the Chrome tab, you need to select Crunchyroll, and you can select the tab to share as well. After that, you need to click on your Share button at bottom right corner. You can easily adjust the stream setting by changing the resolution, frame rate, and quality as well. Now click on Share button. And when you open Discord, you can easily see that we have successfully streamed Crunchyroll on Discord. You can click on the stream settings icon at top right and change Windows, report problem, or stop streaming. So that's how we can easily stream the Crunchyroll on Discord application. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.